Hi guys, it's your girl Cindy. So on today's episode, I want us to be talking about this whole saga between Easy and the Blessing CEO. I saw a lot of videos. People were like saying, Easy don't give up, Blessing CEO don't beat Easy hands down. Easy is now apologizing. So we are saying Easy should do a video apologizing to whole Benin City.
Those of una wey dey do video say make I apologize to Benin and Edo State. May you and your children and your generation to come apologize for what they know. They do Ashawo and prick and total content. I will never mock Ashawo people.
Person do video insult Benin girls and Benin women and what? And another person is now being told to apologize. Like how? Not be person wey insult people. Not be person wey insult people go apologize. How you go do video? You go dey call me to come and apologize. Like how? It's more like we are having problem. I'm calling you directly. I'm talking to you. I didn't mention your tribe. I didn't do anything to bring down your tribe name. You did the video. You insulted people because I did create Ashawo content. You tried using it against me, and you are involving the whole tribe. Because say Easy they do Ashawo content, or because say una they allegedly say she be Ashawo or something. Una come Blessing here wanted to use it against her. She come they call all the Benin girls or Benin City girls. Say all their women and their girls are all Ashawo because of Easy. Now Blessing CEO suppose apologize. Yes, she ought to have apologized by now. To me, it's not easy. Easy should not be the one to apologize for what Blessing CEO, because me and you they banter well. You come the insult tribe. Each other call you call Mono directly. You talk to me directly. Now me and you they talk. Okay, because I come and say I be Ashawo, I go Italy, I go this place. You want try use it against me. It's easier now because I came from this so tribe, so it's obvious, it's automatically that all the whole tribe is now Ashawo. Blessing CEO should be the one apologizing, not Easy. So may una stop all these videos so una they do.